How to fix mobile gaming option not showing on TikTok. So if you want to fix mobile gaming option not showing on your TikTok, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After having a stable internet connection, you need to just go with your Play Store or your App Store. Now here you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for TikTok. Now once you've searched for TikTok, if you have any updates, then you just need simply go with update and update your TikTok application. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go with your TikTok, tap and hold on to your TikTok, go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, now you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or the other way is you can try a VPN. So if you have any VPN application, you just need to simply go and turn on the VPN. After turning on your VPN, you can try going to the TikTok live and you will have the mobile gaming option. But if you still don't find the option, then you can open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, now you need to go with profile, which is on the bottom right. And now you can go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to just scroll down, and here you may have the live option. You can tap on live, or you can also scroll down and then go with report a problem. Under report a problem, you need to select live, and then you can go with live game. And here you need to again go with the question. I'll just simply go with how to start a mobile gaming live. So you can read this and you can apply this fix. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can go with no and tap on need more help. And here it will take you to the TikTok support, or you may also go with report a problem section. And under that, you can go and report to TikTok. So you can just simply tap on live and then select the question. And in this way, you'll be able to get some solutions or some fixes. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.